Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a quick and easy guide to help you turn off all in-app sounds in Messenger. If those notification pings are getting on your nerves, don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Download Messenger, if you haven't already. First things first, make sure you've got the Messenger app installed on your Android device. Here's how. Head over to the Google Play Store. Type Facebook Messenger in the search bar. Look for the familiar chat bubble icon with a purple to blue gradient and a lightning bolt inside. Tap Install to download the app. Once installed, log in with your account and you're good to go. Step 2. Access the main menu. Now, open the Messenger app and tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. This will open the main menu. Step 3. Head to Settings. In the menu, find the gear icon. This will take you to the Settings page. Step 4. Find Notifications and Sounds. Scroll down to the Preferences section and look for the Notifications and Sounds option. Tap on it to access the notification settings. Step 5. Disable in-app sounds. Almost done. In the notification settings, locate the In-app Sounds toggle. Simply tap the switch to turn it off. Once it's toggled off, you won't hear any in-app sounds from Messenger anymore. And that's it, your Messenger is now distraction-free. Wrap up. We hope this quick tutorial helped you enjoy a quieter messaging experience. If you found this video useful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more handy tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, take care, and we'll see you in the next video.